So I'm working on a Lionel KW, which I've never messed with one of these before, but it's in pretty good shape. I was getting all the accessory voltages except in between these two I wasn't getting anything. And now I am, because there was a wire, that black one, soldered here up under there. It fell off, and it looked like that's where it went, so I just took a chance and soldered it on there. Now I'm getting 6 volts. It says 14, but I'm getting 12, 20 volts. And then the side tracks, I'm getting 0 to 20 on that track, and then zero to 20 on that track. So it works good. Getting these handles off I thought I was going to break them, but I just pried them off with a screwdriver and they come off, and then there's 4 screws and these springs I got to put back in here. But that's the Lionel KW, easy fix. And the cord's in good shape too, so I'm going to run it.